Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about the question paper for the written test for the post of DHS grade 4, which is basically includes posts like night chowkidar, ward boy, ward girl, peon, or probably dark room attendant, and many other posts, which also applies the similar kind of question pattern. So the question generally, this question that we are going to discuss, it's for the year 2019, and the full marks was 100, and the duration which was given was for 2 hours. So basically this exam was for the phase 1, which was held before the phase 2 exam. So let us discuss the question set which follows after this question paper was given. So here, let's discuss the first question. So friends, we understand the importance of discussing this question paper because the kind of questions which are basically set for the grade 4 exams, it is quite vast, and mostly it is it limits within the class of class 8. However, it is wise to cover up many other subjects, which includes general knowledge of Assam and the subjects which you study in class 8. So in order to help you in the exams, coming forward exams, which is DHS grade 4, so this discussion could really help you all, and because of which I really wish you all the best. So please follow the questions which are being discussed in this question set, and hoping you all pass the coming forward exams. Okay, so the first question is, who was the founder of Maurya dynasty? So the options were given: Ashoka the Great, Chandragupta Maurya, Vikramaditya, Chandragupta the First. And the answer here is B, Chandragupta Maurya. Okay, so let's go to the next question. So the second question is, which Macedonian king invaded India in 326 BC? Options were Seleucus, Megasthenes, Amundsen, Alexander the Great. The option here is D, Alexander the Great. Third question is, who was the son of Humayun? Option A is Akbar, B, Jahangir, C, Shah Jahan, D, Aurangzeb. The answer is A, Akbar. Fourth question, which religious leader of Bengal took part in the Bhakti movement? A, Kabir, B, Ramanuja, C, Chaitanya, D, Jayadav. The answer is C, Chaitanya. Fifth question, who wrote Ramacharitra A, Kabir, B, Tulsidas, C, Ramdas, D, Nanak. The option is B, Tulsidas. Sixth question, the Quit India movement was launched in which year? A, 1857, B, 1920, C, 1942, D, 1946. The option is C, 1942. Okay, seventh question is, when was Pakistan created as a separate dominion? The options were A, August 14, 1947, B, August 15, 1947, C, January 26, 1950, D, August 16, 1947. And the option is A, August 14, 1947. Okay, great. The next question is 8. In which city did the 1857 revolt start? A. Kolkata, B. Lucknow, C. Meerut, D. Delhi. The correct answer is Meerut, C. The ninth question is, what is the largest planet in our solar system? A. Jupiter, B. Saturn, C. Uranus, D. Neptune. The option is A. Jupiter. 10th question is, what is the longest river of the world? A. Amazon, B. Brahmaputra, C. Nile, D. Mississippi. And the correct answer is Nile. This is the longest river of the world. Next question is, Gobi Desert is situated in which continent? Option is A. Africa, B. Europe, C. Asia, D. Australia. And the correct answer is C, which is Asia. Okay, the 12th question is, which among the following is the highest plateau in the world? A. Colorado Plateau, or it's B. Pamir Plateau, or C. Patagonia Plateau, or is it D. Potawar Plateau? The answer is B. Pamir Plateau. 13th question is, what is the capital of Japan? So this is quite easy. The answer is none other than Tokyo, B. 14th question is, where are the Hanging Gardens, which are considered as one of the 7 wonders of the world, situated? Option A. Alexandria, B. Rhodes, C. Babylon, D. Cambodia. The answer is none other than C, which is Babylon. Next question is 15. Dibrugarh is situated on the bank of which of the following rivers? A. Dibru, B. Brahmaputra, C. Dihang, D. Lohit. The answer is B, which is Brahmaputra. 16th question is, which country is known as Land of White Elephant? A. Is it Indonesia? B. Is it China? C. Is it Mongolia, or is it D. Thailand? The answer is D, which is Thailand. Next question is, Suez Canal connects the Mediterranean Sea with the A. Is it Red Sea, B. Black Sea, C. Persian Gulf, or is it D. Caspian Sea? The answer is Red Sea, which is option A. Okay, next question is, who discovered the South Pole? A. Columbus, B. Marco Polo, C. David Livingstone, or is it D. Amundsen? The answer is D. Amundsen. Okay, 19th question is, Lakshadweep is located in which of the following seas? A. Arabian Sea, B. Bay of Bengal, or is it C. Caspian Sea, or D. Gulf of Mannar? The answer is Arabian Sea, option A. Okay, 20th question is, which of the following is not a seaport of India? A. Is it Kandla, B. Bhavnagar, or is it C. Paradip, or is it D. Mysore? The option is none other than D. Mysore. Okay, next question is question number 21. What is the first line of India's national song? The option A is Jana Gana Mana Adhinayaka Jaya Hai, B. Sare Jahan Se Acha Hindustan Hamara, C. Vande Mataram, and D. Bade Chalo, Bade Chalo. The answer is none other than C, which is Vande Mataram. And the next question is, which of the following languages is not recognized in the Indian Constitution? Is not recognized in the Indian Constitution. A. It's given Bodo, B. Maithili, C. Sindhi, or D. Parsi. So the option here is, the correct answer is Parsi, D. 23rd question is, in which of the following cities is the Golden Temple present? Option A is Udaipur, option B is Amritsar, C. Ludhiana, D. Madurai. The answer is B. Amritsar. Nandapa National Park is situated in which state? The option here, first one is A. Karnataka, B. Arunachal Pradesh, or is it C. Sikkim, D. Uttarakhand. The answer is none other than Arunachal Pradesh. The next question is, who was the first president of India? Is it option A, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, C. Dr. Zakir Hussain, or is it D. Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad? The option is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. 26th question is, what is the capital of Haryana? The options were Gurgaon, Chandigarh, Srinagar, Dehradun. The correct answer to this is B. Chandigarh. Okay, next question is 27. Which of the following states shares a common boundary with Bhutan? The options were West Bengal, B. Bihar, C. Meghalaya, or is it D. Jharkhand? The answer is West Bengal, option A. Next question is, what is the upper house of Indian Parliament known as? A. Is it Lok Sabha, B. Is it Rajya Sabha, C. Legislative Assembly, or is it D. Legislative Council? The option is B, which is Rajya Sabha. So the next question is, which of the following is not a permanent member of the United Nations? Is it option A, China, or is it B, Japan, C, France, or is it Russia, D? The option is none other than Japan. So the next question is, where are the headquarters of UNICEF situated? Is it A, Geneva, B, New York, Washington DC, or is it Paris? The option is none other than Paris. I'm sorry, it's New York. Okay, next question is, who wrote the book Man Eaters of Kumaon? A, is it R.K. Narayan? Is it B, Rudyard Kipling, C, Salman Rushdie, D, Jim Corbett? The answer is Jim Corbett, D. Okay, next question is, which of the following state capitals is connected by railway? Is it A, Imphal, B, Agartala, C, Kohima, D, Aizawl? The answer is B, Agartala. Okay, the next question is, what is the largest mountain range in the world? Is it A, the Himalayas, B, the Alps, C, the Andes, or is it D, the Rocky Mountains? It's none other than, the answer is the Andes, C. Next question is, what is the largest creature on the earth? Is it giraffe, B, elephant, C, gorilla, or is it D, blue whale? The answer is D, blue whale. Okay, next question is, Makalu 1 is a mountain peak of, is it A, the Himalayas, or is it the Karakoram, the Aravallis, or is it the Satpura? The answer is the Himalayas, A. Question is 36. Kabul is the capital of, is it A, Kyrgyzstan, B, Ukraine, C. Afghanistan, or D. Mongolia? The correct answer is C, which is Afghanistan. Okay, next question is 37. The Baikal Lake is situated in A. Is it Canada? B. Finland? C. Is it Tanzania? Or is it D. Russia? So the correct option is D, which is Russia. Next question is, Todas are tribal people of which state? Is it option A, Tamil Nadu, B, Karnataka, C, Andhra Pradesh, or D, Maharashtra? The correct option is A, which is Tamil Nadu. All the judges of the Supreme Court of India are appointed by, is it option A, the President of India, B, the Prime Minister of India, or C, the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of India, or is it D, the Vice President of India? The correct option is A, the President of India. Next question is 40, which is, who was the first Deputy Prime Minister of India? A, is it option A, Indra Prasad Gujral, B, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, C, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, or is it D, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar? The correct option is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The next question is, which of the following organs is not involved in digestion of food? The correct the options are A, liver, B, spleen, C, pancreas, or is it D, jejunium? The correct answer is spleen. Next question is 42. Hemoglobin molecule include inside the red blood cells contains, is it option A, sodium, B, calcium, C, zinc, or is it D, iron? The correct option is iron. The next question is, which of the following is not a human blood group? Is it A, option A, B, O, C, AB, D, C? So everybody should be knowing this answer. It's none other than the option is D, C, which is not a human blood group. So let's move to the next question. Okay, next question is, which of the following glands is or are ductless? The first option given is pituitary, B, liver, C, salivary glands, D, breast. The option is A, which is the correct answer, pituitary. Question is, which of the following organs do or does not have excretory function? So the options given are A, skin, B, lungs, C, kidneys, and D, spleen. The correct answer is D, which is spleen. So the next question is, potatoes are rich in A, is it carbohydrate, B, protein, C, fat, or is it D, oil? So the correct answer is A, carbohydrate. Okay, next question is 47 number. Vitamin A deficiency leads to, A, beriberi, B, scurvy, C, osteomalacia, or is it D, night blindness? The answer is none other than D, night blindness. Next question is, stomach juices digest. A, is it carbohydrate, B, protein, C, is it fat, or is it D, all of the above? The answer is none other than D, all of the above. It digests carbohydrate, protein, and fats as well. Next question is, which of the following is not a function of skin? So first one is, it regulates body temperature, or B, is it protects the body's internal organs, or is it C, it gives shape to the body, or is it D, it secretes hormones? So the function which is not a part of skin, it's D, it secretes hormones. Question, which is, what is the chemical name of common salt? Is it bicarbonate, B sodium hydroxide, or is it C sodium chloride, or D sodium sulfate? The answer is C sodium chloride. So we have basically covered the history of Assam and the biology part, and most of the questions from 1 to 50. So the next few questions, we have also covered the general knowledge part of India, and the next questions are followed by the set of questions which belong to the grammar part. So grammar, or basically you can call it English, and then it is followed by maths. So we will cover it in the next video. So in order to follow the next set of questions, please follow up with my next video. Please subscribe to my channel to follow the next set of videos, which I'm gonna upload it very soon. Okay, in the meantime, I wish you all the best and all the luck, and please practice these questions, and also if you can also follow up with most of the questions, which is like I've said, part of Assam history, Assam geography, and then you can cover up the general knowledge part, which is basically it should take care of the high school or till class 8, and then most questions are part of biology, the subjects which you can cover up the basic and most important topics. Okay, so we are going to I'm going to upload some more videos on the English and maths part. Please follow up with that. In the meantime, thank you all.